box is...
How did I even get there? It's magic!
Let's take a look at the box. You see the product's name, the brand name, and your hair.
It's like this. Oh, yeah, it's like this. It's
The
like
side over here, you see the
QR codes.
QR codes.
Then
QR codes, and you see it's written in Chinese and English. The
So-
back of the box. It's so pretty. You see here it says
yeah, these are the different features, okay?
the short distance. I can't see.
Short
Distance,
distance,
clicky.
unclicky buttons. Turbo, 4 different burst modes. Unique foldable wings designing. Now this final one here, ultra low power consumption. Okay, so now let us check the what's inside this box. Okay, so this is the warranty card. Let's just put it there. The manual, so that you will learn how to use this thing.
Why wouldn't there be one?
A C-type cord for charging, and of course
The product.
just look at it. So much better than the one in the picture. So of course you could connect this C-type cord to here for charging. Okay, so what are the different features of this? First of all, the color scheme, very lightweight, very, what do you call this, sturdy. Like, I'm really serious, it's sturdy. Now, here's a cushion, even over here. Over here, even this part, if you can see this. Okay, over here. Now, these cushions are there so that the phone won't get damaged. Now you can stretch this bottom part here, but there is a limit about 6 inches. Also, there's a limit for this one as well. It's 10 millimeters, I think. Yeah, I read the manual into it. Okay, so here the right and the left button, you could I'll just show you that in a minute. Here's the turbo for burst, which I will also explain in a minute. Let's check the back here. What's this thing? Oh, it's the model number, the rating, and their website for GameSir. Now let's try using this very cool F4 Falcon game controller.
Exciting.
And let us compare, but with using this and without using it.
Where's the bad guy? Oh yeah, there is. Okay.
Get down, sniper!
Sniper?
Where's the sniper? Yo, what the... Oh, he did 2 kills!
What?
You haven't died in once. You won. I hear shotgun shots. But don't put burst there because that would be ridiculous.
Enemy contact!
Oh my god, you're so...
I got shot! down.
Back. Ah! Oh, yes.
The world. Oh my.
Cover me. Reloading.
Go. Because they're quickly. Just run. Go. Oh.
Yes.
Oh wait, Jack. Use predator missile. Predator missile. This one over there. This guy over there. Hunter drone.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
That was the final kill!
Yes! That was fun. I didn't do that.
Yo!
Oh, never!
Second kill. Oh, excuse me.
Enemy contact.
Blood.
UAV recon ready for deployment. Heads up, enemy UAV spotted.
Really?
Missile
They're still alive!
recon standing by. Repeat,
Thanks for
UAV
the-
recon.
Reloading. Cover me.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
UAV spotted.
Oh, yes.
Predator missile
Yes!
inbound.
Go! Bah!
Down. Need backup. I'm hit. Changing back. I got shot.
Missile awaiting orders. Keep on them. We're winning this one.
Yo, I got major assists.
Enemy in sight.
Where? Oh, this guy. Yo, I got the final kill. I hope. Because I have been playing COD for quite a while now. Since I was a little one, of course. There is not really much of a difference between using this controller and without it. The only difference is that, of course, it's a controller and it uses turbo. And really, I had to adapt with it because we had some difficulties with it to start with this thing. Okay. So guys, we hope you enjoyed our video.
Please smash the like button.
And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So thanks for watching. Bye.